Russia is making a strong return with its advanced 6th-generation stealth fighter, the MiG-41. Also known as the PAC-DP, this ambitious project is set to disrupt the aerospace industry. Scheduled for its maiden flight in 2025, the MiG-41 is designed to replace the aging MiG-31, bringing significant upgrades, including state-of-the-art military features, adaptable engines, and an impressive range. But the question remains, can Russia successfully bring this project to fruition, especially after facing difficulties with 5th-generation technology? Stick with us to explore the challenges ahead and learn about Russia's bold military plans. Leading the charge on this project is the Russian aerospace giant, MiG-41, known for its expertise in aircraft design. The PAC-DP, which stands for Prospective Air Complex for Long-Range Interception, aims to carry out two main tasks: intercepting and combating enemy aircraft using superior speed, agility, and stealth. Enthusiasts are eagerly awaiting its first flight, expected in 2025, anticipating significant advancements in aircraft technology. However, the details about the MiG-41 are largely shrouded in secrecy. With much speculation coming from Western observers. Despite the uncertainty surrounding its capabilities, one thing is clear: the MiG-41 represents a major leap forward in aviation and could potentially redefine aerial combat. The MiG-41 is set to replace the aging MiG-31 as part of Russia's commitment to remaining at the forefront of military aircraft development. However, concerns linger regarding Russia's ability to produce these next-generation fighters. Given the challenges they faced with 5th-generation aircraft. Let's break down what Russia aims to achieve with the PAC-DP/MiG-41 based on key features of 6th-generation aircraft design. The plane will focus on advanced stealth capabilities, making it less detectable by enemy radar. Additionally, it will be equipped with cutting-edge equipment to enhance combat performance, including versatile engines capable of reaching high speeds. Another essential feature is its long range, enabling the MiG-41 to travel vast distances without needing to refuel, while also carrying advanced weapons with extended reach. Beyond these features, the MiG-41 aims to be user-friendly, with systems designed to make it easier for pilots to operate even under extreme pressure. Autopilot capabilities are also being incorporated. To enhance the jet's performance. However, the concept of a 6th-generation fighter is still uncharted territory, as no nation has yet developed such a plane, and Russia's ambitious plans are undeniably bold. While the MiG-41 sounds incredible on paper, history reminds us that not all grand ideas come to fruition. The design for the MiG-41 was finalized back in 2019, and it's expected to exceed Mach 4 speeds, cruising comfortably at Mach 3. The aircraft is also rumored to feature a laser system for missile defense and the ability to fly at near-space altitudes. There's even talk of a version that can operate autonomously. If everything falls into place, the MiG-41 could become a formidable force. The PAC-DP MiG-41 will likely be powered by an upgraded version of the Saturn AL-51 engine already in use with the Su-57 5th-generation fighter. This engine promises a significant thrust boost, enhancing performance across multiple aircraft, including the upcoming Su-75 Checkmate. While the United States remains a leader in fifth-generation aircraft, Russia is racing ahead with the MiG-41, which could rival the most advanced technologies. Recent reports indicate that the aircraft could be fully integrated into the Russian Air Force within the next 2 to 3 years, which would be a remarkable achievement given that development has outpaced initial expectations. The MiG-31, despite its age, has been a reliable asset, capable of intercepting high-altitude targets and even carrying hypersonic missiles. However, its limitations are clear, which is why Russia has embarked on the PAC-DP program, with the first prototypes ready for testing by 2021. If all goes according to plan, the MiG-41 could start mass production by 2028, though many details remain classified. Speculation suggests that the MiG-41 might achieve speeds beyond Mach 3, potentially launching satellites into low Earth orbit and even engaging in anti-satellite operations. These claims have raised skepticism, with some dismissing the aircraft as overly ambitious. Still, progress is being made, and there's a strong possibility that the MiG-41 will reach speeds approaching Mach 4.5, putting it in the hypersonic range. Unmanned versions of the MiG-41 are also part of the design, offering pilots relief from intense G-forces. This makes the MiG-41 a promising contender in the future of aviation, with its mix of speed, agility, and cutting-edge technology. Although it's still too early to determine if the MiG-41 will live up to its ambitious promises, its potential to revolutionize aerial warfare is undeniable. What do you think about the MiG-41? Are you excited to see it take to the skies? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on aerospace innovations. Thanks for watching.